This is a tutorial for Son of God, and this one is a long song. It has all these many sections, but I'm going to try and simplify it for you so you don't have to do all the sections like the band does, on the weekends. But the chords that we're going to be using are G, C, E minor, D, A minor. Okay, we're going to use D suspended. Okay, you can refer to the chord diagrams for these chords. Okay, G over B again, G over B. So this song is in like 6-8 times or 3-4. You're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so this one, in terms of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Think of a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your throne, oh God, is forever. In righteousness you reign, sustaining all of creation by the power of your name. The radiance of the glory of God, the perfect image of his being. So we lift our hands and raise our voice to glorify the King, the one who is and is to come. To you alone we sing, Son of God, you reign. This is the interlude, E minor, the second verse. You are the heir of all, forever our high priest, the author of salvation, the perfect Lamb who was slain, enthroned you sit at the right hand of God, as the angels sing praises without end. The chorus too. So we lift our hands and raise our voice to glorify the King, the one who is and is to come. To you alone we sing, Son of God, you reign. Now you're going to the bridge. To you be the glory. To you and you only. Your reign is forever. Those stars will fall and this world will fade. Still Jesus, you alone remain. And then it goes into the woes, but I would suggest in a miniature setting you can go. So back to the chorus. So we lift our hands, raise our voice, glorify the King, the one who is and is to come. To you alone we sing, Son of God, you reign. could repeat that chorus again. So you could do that in the mini church. Or you could go to the tag, Son of God, you reign. Son of God, you reign. Now that's a lot of sections, but in a miniature setting, I would say you don't have to even do the bridge. You could do first verse, chorus, go to verse 2, chorus, and repeat the chorus. Like I said, the chart is arranged for doing at the weekends with a big band setting. And so you have all these interludes and sections that build. But it's up to you, up to your discretion. That gives you a little idea of the song, Son of God.